guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you've been here before, it's your girl Rita and I'm so thrilled to have you here today. So today I'm going to be showing you how I installed this gorgeous knotless braids, and if you want to see that, you know the drill, stick around and go nowhere. First, before we get into this video, if this is your first time here, don't forget to click the subscribe icon. Also click the bell icon so that you are notified whenever I have a new video out. You can also check out my other videos and drop your girl a comment. You know how we do it. Yeah. Alright guys, so let me get into this video and I will see you after the video. So for starters, you want to start on freshly washed hair and maybe straightened or blow dried. Just make sure your hair is soft enough and good to go. So if you want to see the routine on how I achieved this, I'll put a link up and in the description box. So now I'm just trying to part my hair, and you guys, it didn't go well, so I had to call for backup. Okay, something you can do on your own, but if you're going to do box braids, then probably maybe ask for help. And here we have my big sister. Yeah, and she came in to help me, and then she decided to experiment on knotless braids on my own hair. Who does that? But anyway, so yeah, she helped me sometimes. And so when you started, you just want to start braiding your hair first, and then you start to attach the extension gradually. I like to place mine under. Some people do place theirs on top of their fingers and just go. The goal is that it doesn't show and everything is just smooth way down. So whichever one works for you, I'm sure you can make it, you know, look good. Yeah, so that's how it goes, and you just keep doing the same thing until you are done. Remember to ask for help because this takes time, people. Time. So ask for help. And I didn't make mine too tiny, and I didn't make the patterns too tiny either. So I think I ended up with about 50 pieces of braids on my hair, if not less than. So yeah, it didn't take too much time. I can be really goofy, guys. But anyways, I think you really need someone to talk to while you're doing this because, like I said, it takes time. So having someone you can just read and chat with while you're doing this just makes it fun, you know. So yeah, but anyways guys, so I want to say a huge thank you to all of you, all my subscribers, all my viewers. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So if this is your first time on my channel, thank you and you are welcome. Don't forget to click the subscribe icon. Also click the bell icon so that you are notified whenever I have a new video out. You can also check out my other videos and drop your girl a comment. You know how I do it. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Yeah. And that is basically it, guys. Just keep doing the same thing until you are done, and then you enjoy your knotless braids. Okay guys, so that is it for this video, and if you decide to try out this knotless braids, do yourself a favor, do not use expression. That guy can tangle for the whole world. Like, it was a mess, literally. Half of that extension went into the bin because it was all tangled up and all knotted up, and ooh. And after I braided, because I used expression at the back, it was still tangling, and so I had to over trim the tips of the braids. So you might want to consider that if you decide to try this out. But I used darling in front, and darling is good. Trimming darling was also easier. It wasn't as stressful as expression, so you might want to consider that if you decide to try this out, or try out any kind of braids that you need extension, because that's how it works, right? Yeah, I think so. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe icon if you haven't. Also click the bell icon so that you are notified whenever I have a new video out. You can also check out my other videos, drop your girl a comment, and of course give this video a thumbs up. You know how I do it. Thanks guys, see you in my next video. I remain Rita, and you remain colorfully blessed. Bye.